Míle Fáilte rib 30 seconds to Mars, lads. Conas a Táisiv.
Goma.
Look at that. Like pros. Come straight from Tea in the Park. How'd you get on?
Well, it was brilliant. It was just so wet and slimy and drippy.
Wet, slimy, and drippy.
You get to repeat the experience here in Ireland. That is
It's not nearly as
marvelous.
bad today. No, this is great. This is a beautiful day compared to yesterday. And
yeah,
yesterday
no,
was a beautiful day too. Make no mistake. But today is even more beautiful.
You played recently enough in the O2 in Dublin.
Right.
There's a gentleman in this room right now, Mr. Dara Quilty over here from
Yes.
Fox Avenue. Dara, just stick your head in very
Come
quickly.
on.
Come here, come here,
Come
come
on.
on! Hop, hop, ho! Ho, ho!
Hey, don't attack me. Hey.
You played, supported 30 Seconds to Mars. How was that for you?
We did. I didn't poo my trousers before that show. I
Hey, let me
swear.
tell you something. I remember something from that show from our friend Dara here. He gifted us with a beautiful bottle of
That is right.
that night. And it was very tasty.
You drank it?
I did.
Excellent.
Thank you, Dara Quilty. Fox Avenue, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! Now, gentlemen, tell us please a little bit about the video for Closer to the Edge. It's a mad mishmash of everything in between, so what about that?
Closer to the Edge is a video that Jared made while on tour in the US, and we filmed everything from the beginning of our Euro Arena tour, and really it was just a way for us to turn the cameras on ourselves and on the audience rather than just doing like the traditional kind of live video. It's kind of more show the energy of what's going on at our shows. It's like a little peek inside what a 30 Seconds to Mars show is like.
You can ask me about the title. I know you've been promoting it for a while now, but This Is War. Is that in reference to anything in particular? Is that a big statement, or is that?
I mean, it's definitely in reference to several things. It's it's a great way to describe the sound of the record. One, two, it's really describes what we were going through at the time of making the record. I mean, this is war for us. I mean, that record, the experience of it was challenging at times, you know.
Okay.
And we definitely figured that title would describe the whole experience properly. I'm sure Jared would say the same. Oh, look who's here!
Oh, would you look at this?
Something missing. I just thought like you just look really out of place.
Oh,
So
what a
I'm
pleasant surprise.
How are you?
You can wear these.
Oh.
Ah, look at this. This is almost too much
what I
cool
mean?
on one couch.
Amazing. I'm jealous of those babies though.
I
They're
gotta
the best
say,
ones.
those look pretty good.
I always think, I've come to the conclusion at the moment, if you wear sunglasses inside, I used to think you were an idiot, but now I think if you wear them inside, you are cool enough and you should not question the coolness.
I forgot to take them off. Thanks for reminding me.
Okay, well. OMG, this got awkward.
This got awkward. Do you know what? I'm just going to leave you just to crash and burn here.
Well, Laura, it's been a pleasure.
Guys, I'm
Thanks for
sorry.
ruining my interview. Ladies and gentlemen, the album This Is War. This is the very awesome 30 Seconds to Mars. Gentlemen, it's been an absolute pleasure.
Bam.
Peace.
Oh.